This tutorial will guide you through on how to make a return on Aliexpress completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you are on the Aliexpress website, go and locate your account on the top right hand screen and click My Orders. In this case, go to the top left hand screen underneath Account and scroll down until you see the option Refund and Return, or the fourth option. Underneath here you have order number, the store name, or if you click the drop down arrow you have 4 different options and you can search for your refund or return of your Aliexpress item. But assuming that you don't have this, go back to the top left hand screen and click the second option, Orders. Locate an item that you would like to issue a refund, free returns, delivery guaranteed, and go to the top right hand screen and click Order Details. Once opened up and loaded, you can even choose to issue a free return upon 15 days if you send it back after the delivery. If you were to click on this option, AliExpressway will even open up a free article or guide on how you can do this completely for free.